Hi, my name is Hannah. I'm a scribble artist and I make all of my artwork with a glass pen. You may have seen my artwork on TikTok or Instagram. This is my TikTok, this is my Instagram. If you haven't, go check me out on there. Otherwise, today I just have for you a huge compilation of every single Valentine card tutorial that I made this year. So if you need some awesome Valentine inspo, watch this video. There are some dirty ones, there are some clean ones, punny ones, funny ones. I have a whole spread, so enjoy the video. And before you start watching, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and then comment which Valentine idea is your favorite. And if you decide to make any of them, DM them to me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Welcome to my first video in my cute Valentine idea series. Today we're going to be drawing some cherries on the front of the card and then going back in with our glass dip pen and outlining them, adding those dots and squiggles for character. The caption, "I love you, cherry much." Follow for more. Here's another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by painting some hearts on the front of the card with different colors. I dried it off with a paper towel, outlined it with my glass pen, and then added my signature dots and squiggles before adding in some cute little captions. I did hug me, kiss me, and be mine, but you can make it dirty or whatever you want. If this wasn't your cup of tea, that's okay. I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. Part 4 in my cute Valentine series. This one is a little dirty, so if you're a kid, click away. So we're going to start off by drawing a rose at the top of the card with the caption, "Roses are red," and then some violets at the bottom with the caption, "Violets are fine." And then on the back side, we are going to caption it, "You be the 6 and I'll be the 9. Follow for more. Here is yet another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by drawing a donut on the front of the card. I went for your classic pink sprinkle donut, but you can do whatever kind of donut you want to. And then we're going to go ahead and take our glass pen and outline it, including the sprinkles. And don't forget to add my signature dots and squiggles. The caption for this one is going to be, "Get on your knees and smile like a donut." Follow for more. Here's another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by writing XOXO on the front of the card. You can see I did the X with the pen, but I put some watercolor paint down for the O's. Then we're going to go ahead and outline the O's. I added some dots and squiggles. The caption for this one, "Nugs and kisses." Here is another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by drawing a blunt and then go ahead and add some smoke. I added a heart-shaped smoke, and then the caption is going to be, "You light up my world." Here's another cute Valentine idea, and this one will work for pretty much anyone, whether it is your crush or someone that you love or your significant other. So we're going to start by drawing a unicorn on the front of the card, and I went with all rainbow colors because I wanted to. And the caption for this one, "You are magical." I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. Here's another cute Valentine idea, and again, this one's a little dirty. We're going to start by drawing a chocolate-covered strawberry on the front of the card, and I outlined it with my glass dip pen just as before. The caption for this one is going to be, "Just a little something to get you in the mood." Follow for more. Here's a cute, simple Valentine you can give to your crush. We're going to draw 2 bees on the front of the card, and I made heart-shaped wings because it's a Valentine, and the caption, "Be mine." This is one of my favorite Valentine ideas, and it works for just about anybody. We're going to start by drawing 2 pieces of bread on the front of the card and a toaster to go along with it. And then we're going to take our glass pen and outline everything. When it comes to the bread, I even added some arms and little facial expressions, and I have them holding hands here. The caption for this card, "I'm toast without you." Here's another cute Valentine idea, and this one's a repeat from last year because it's still one of my favorites. So we're going to start by drawing an ear of corn on the front of the card with the caption, "This might be corny, ... And then on the back side, we're going to write, "But I'm feeling horny." I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. I don't know if you'd call this Valentine idea cute, but it's definitely straight to the point. We're going to draw a sun with some sunglasses and the caption, "You're hot." Okay, here's another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by drawing the end of a guitar on the front of the card, and I added a blue pick here. And then we're going to take our glass dip pen and outline it, including the strings and everything. The caption for this one, I pick you. I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. Okay, here's the perfect Valentine for your bestie. We're gonna start by drawing 2 mugs of tea on the front of the card, and these blue blobs here, those are to hang over the lip of the mug, you'll see in a moment. And the caption for this one is going to be, Best Teas for Life. Follow for more. Here's another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by drawing a screw on the front of the card, and the caption for the front is going to say, screw me, and you can leave it at that if you want to, or you can say, screw me if I'm wrong, and on the back side, we're going to write, have we met before? So we're going to start by drawing 2 pear-shaped blobs on the front of the card, and then I went back in with my glass dip pen and outlined them. I added some leaves, some smiley faces, and I made them holding hands. The caption for this one, we make the perfect pair. I'm doing a whole series of Valentine ideas, so follow for more. And if you don't want to make your own, you can purchase them in my store, linked in my bio. Here's a Valentine idea that's perfect for anyone that you love. Mom, dad, sister, boyfriend, doesn't matter. So we're going to start by drawing 2 ghosts on the front of the card, and this left one here is holding a little flower, and then we're going to take our glass dip pen and outline it, and the caption for this one is going to be, I love Boo. I'm doing a whole series, so follow along for more. Okay, here is another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by painting a rainbow heart on the front of the card, and then I painted some grass as well. And then I went back in with my glass dip pen and drew 2 sheep, or ewes, female sheep. And then the caption for this one is going to be, so gay for you. I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. 2 simple Valentine ideas are perfect for your teacher. The first one, we're going to draw a rock on the card with the caption, you rock. And the second one, we're going to draw a peach on the front of the card with the caption, I appreciate you. I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. Here's another cute Valentine idea. We're going to start by painting a bowl and some noodles with some chopsticks. And then we're going to go back in with our glass dip pen kit, outline it, and caption it, send nudes. I'm doing a whole series, so follow for more. Here's a cute Valentine idea for your best friend or soulmate. So we're going to simply draw some sushi on the left side and a bottle of soy sauce on the right side. And the caption for this one is going to be soy mate.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba.
Thanks for watching this video. I love you very much, and I just wanted to say it means so much that you're here and appreciate my content. Again, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite Valentine, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.